Hello students, today we have learned class 7 English, chapter number 3.2 Compare a Programming, Margin Questions and Workshop Answers. Question number 1. Why does the compare request the audience to switch off their mobile phones? Answer is the compare requests the audience to switch off their mobile phones so that they can forget their busy thoughts and work for some time and enjoy the festive occasion. However, I think that this is only the compare way of being polite. Actually, she wants the mobile phones to be switched off so that they do not disturb the programming. Question number 2. Why does she request them to be seated? Answer is the dignitaries had arrived and were being escorted to the dais. The programming would soon start and hence she requests the audience to be seated. Question number 3. At the beginning of the programming, who does the compare address by name? Answer is head girl Miss Shubhada Murarka. At the beginning of the programming, compare addresses by name. Question number 4. What do we learn about Sri Charudatta Diwan from the compare speech? Answer is from the compare speech, we learn that Sri Charudatta Diwan is an eminent personality in the field of art and culture. He is a renowned artist, a painter of international repute, and the proud recipient of many prestigious awards. He is also the president of Kala Ranjan Academy. Question number 5. Who does the compare thing? Thank. Answer. The compare thanks the principal. 6. Who are they? Answer is first Mr. Avdut Pathak, President of Balanand Academy. Second, Mr. Shubhada Murarka, School Captain and Cultural In Charge. 3. Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, Principal of Balanand Academy. Number 7. Describe the book that is released. Answer. The book comprises photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contributions from the students of the school. Question number 8. Why does the compare thank the chief guest? Answer is the compare thanks the chief guest for releasing the special book and formally inaugurating the art festival. Question number 9. Who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? Answer is Sahil, Varsha, Vivek, Jubin and Govind are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. Question number 10. Guess or find the meaning of Tal Kacheri. Answer. Tal Kacheri means music concert. Question number 11. How is this vocal rendition different from music? Answer is this vocal rendition is different because Sahil was singing the piece and the same piece would be demonstrated on different instruments. Question number 2. Does the compare say the following at the beginning of the program or after it has ended? First, what a wonderful presentation. Second, that was indeed a fantastic performance. Answer. The compare says the given statements after the program has ended. Question number 13. What is meant by butterflies in your stomach? Answer. When you say that you have butterflies in your stomach, it means that you are very nervous. English workshop. Question number 1. The items in the program below have got mixed up. Rearrange them in the proper order. Just add the number in the left hand column. Balananda Vidyalaya Art Festival Program. Question number 2. Form groups of 5 to 8. This passage tells us only What the compare says, try to visualize and write that the other people on the dais must have said in their speeches. Write only the main points. Answer is A. The school principal. 1. Need for an art festival. Second, role of art in today's world. The purpose of the festival. 4. What is it about? The chief guest. 1. What is art and culture? Second, importance of art and culture. Third, how it develops and personality of students. C. The art teacher who offer vote for thanks. 1. Formal extensions of gratitude to the chief guest for being present to encourage students. Second, gratitude towards the other dignitaries. 3. The publisher of the book. And 4. The decorators. Question number 3. Choose the appropriate phrase to insert in the gaps to make the sentences meaningful. Use the appropriate form of the verb. 1. To appraise. Second, to be relieved of. Third, to draw the certain. 4. To escort. 5. To be linked to. 6. To have butterflies in one's stomach. Answer is A. Before we draw the curtain, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. B. I had butterflies in my stomach just as I was to receive my report card. C. After I took the medicine, I was relieved the pain. D. Before we do the experiment in the laboratory, let me apprise you all about it. E. The minister was escorted by his personal bodyguards. Question number 4. Prepare a formal invitation card for the art festival. Answer is we solicit your presence at the inauguration of Art Festival 2022-23 at the hands of Shri Charudatta Diwan, President of Kalaranjan Academy, time 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday 21st January 2022. Venue Auditorium Balananda Education Society Shivaji Road. Shri Sushant Deshmukh, Principal Balananda Vidyalay. Mrs. Poonam Singh, Convener and Art Teacher. Mrs. Preeti Patil, Cultural In Charge. Question number 5. Prepare a news report in brief on this art festival. Answer. Balananda Shines, Pune, July 17. The school art festival organized by the Balananda Academy here was a smashing hit, gathering appreciation from all sections of viewers. The 3-day art exhibition was flag off last evening. The chief guest, Shri Charudatta Diwan, an eminent painter and president of the Kalaranjan Academy, released a special book of photographs. These were photographs of the unique pieces of art that were displayed in the exhibition. Immediately after this was the formal inauguration of the festival, followed by an interesting cultural program. The Tal Kacheri, the Kali dance, and the light comedy play kept the audience engrossed till the prize distribution ceremony. The chief guest speech gave everyone wonderful insights into the various aspects of art and culture. After the vote of thanks, the audience dispersed to view the art exhibition. Question number 6. Chalk out detailed programs for the following occasions. 1. The Teachers' Day program in your school. 1. Welcome speech by head boy. 2nd. Speech on importance of teachers by head girl. 3rd. Felicitation of teachers. 4th. Speech by principal. 5. Cultural program. 6. Games. 7. Vote of thanks. 8. Snacks. 9. National anthem. 2. An exhibition of science projects arranged in your classroom. Answer. 1. Ribbon cutting ceremony. 2nd. Welcome speech by monitor. Speech by the principal. Judging of projects. 4. Prize distribution. 5. Vote of thanks. 6. National anthem. 3. A wedding anniversary or birthday celebration for your grandparents that you have arranged with your family. Answer is 1. Welcome grandparents. Second, PowerPoint show on grandfather. 3. Speeches by relatives and friends. 4. Cake cutting. 5. Snacks and refreshment. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.